morning, ma'am. So I am Dharma from Here Technologies, and we have our team led by Mr. Rohit Kaushik on today's meeting.
We have
So, Dr. Mahalakshmi, we can start.
MC starting. Just hold on. Nitya ma'am will take up.
Okay.
Can start.
A delightful morning. Welcome, Galaxy of Intellectuals, KIT. A delightful morning and a warm welcome to the Galaxy of Intellectual. IT takes a step in empowering the younger generation to achieve their dream career. This event, the virtual signing of community agreement with the Higher India Private Limited, is a step ahead of promising a glorious career to KITs. The tradition of welcoming makes people bloom with happiness and peace. Keeping up with this tradition, may I invite Dr. K. Mahalakshmi, Dean, Center for Industry Institute Interaction, KIT, to welcome the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of KIT, Kalajar Karunanidhi Institute of Technology, I'm deeply privileged to welcome one and all present, both online and offline, for this auspicious event of virtual signing of community agreement in this new normal. I extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Kaushik, Product Portfolio Operations, South Asia at Here India Private Limited. Welcome, sir. I also happily invite Mr. Dharma Rajagopalan, Senior Lead Community Partnerships, India and South Asia, Here India Private Limited, and Mr. P. Sainath, and all the Here Technology officials join in the meet for the virtual inception of community agreement between Here India Private Limited and KIT. It's a pleasure to extend an affectionate welcome to Mrs. Indu Murugesan, Vice Chairperson, KIT, who has been a motivating catalyst for all the events. A special welcome to our Administrative Director, Principal, Vice Principal, Deans, and heads of various departments and faculty members. I also extend an affectionate welcome to our beloved students. KIT is extremely privileged to host the inception of Here India Private Limited's community program. The primary benefit of this association is to explore and identify common venues of interactions with Here Technologies by the ways of webinars, hackathons, industrial visits, and industrial projects, to evolve educational programs which are consistent with the industrial requirements, which can give an accelerating pace of technological development to our students of KIT. I also extend wholehearted welcome to Dr. R. Kirtika, Coordinator, CIII, who had been with me for instantiating this association. I once again welcome you all to this inception program and hope that you will have an enriching session too. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your most cordial welcome. I now request Dr. N. Mohan Das Gandhi, Principal KIT, to offer his felicitations.
Very good morning to one and all. I am very happy participating in virtual signing of community agreement between KIT and Here India Private Limited. The most respected today's chief guest and resource person, Mr. Rohit Kausik, South Asia and India Head, Product Portfolio Operation, Air India Private Limited. Mr. Dharma Rajagopalan, Senior Head, Community Partnership, Air India Private Limited. Our respected Director, Administration, Mr. Vasant Sir. Our Vice Principal, Dr. Ramesh Sir. Dean, Dr. Ramasamy Sir. Dean AAA, C AAA, Dr. Mahalakshmi Madam. Dr. Kirtika, Coordinator C AAA. So I am very happy in offering felicitation for this MOU. First of all, I thank our management, particularly our Vice Chairperson Madam, Ms. Indu Murugeshan. Madam is the force behind all the activities and events happening in KIT. Madam inspiring as well as motivating all of us to do higher level activities to enhance our students' knowledge. In this occasion, I also offer my felicitation to Dr. Mahalakshmi Madam, Dean CAAA. Madam is the initiative for this MOU. Thank you, Madam. With this MOU, all our faculty members as well as students will get benefit. It will help intensive skill development. That is we also know as is the important thing, attitude, skill, knowledge. In this, so we are providing knowledge. The MOU will help the students to develop the skill as well as they will do the project, they will select the project in Air India Private Limited and they will do project. It will give benefit for both KIT and Air India Private Limited. With these few words, I wish CAAA make more MOU for the benefit of students. Thank you.
Dr. Mahalakshmi, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can't hear you. Yes, ma'am. So you'll be proceeding right now.
Yeah, one second. We were waiting for our chairperson. One second. Our director, academic director will do it. One second.
First, I would like to thank our principal for wonderful facilitation. Now, I request Mr. Vasant sir, Executive Director of KIT, to give the presidential address.
Pioneer Karnanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. It is indeed my pleasure to deliver the presidential address for the community agreement with Here India Private Limited, Gurugram, Haryana. This collaborative event between Here India Private Limited and KIT would facilitate the younger generation in better industrial technology exposure by upgrading the new concepts and technologies, thus grooming them for industry readiness. Industry Institute Textile interaction would help the students and faculties to get exposed to real-time projects and enrich their knowledge in specific areas. Also, effective learning and skill development among the students will enhance their ability by overcoming the challenges in this competitive world. No doubt, this agreement would offer potential support to the students of KIT in establishing their dream career. I wish the KIT, CEII, III team and Here India Private Limited the very best for taking this association to greater heights and longer duration. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your impressive presidential address. I now invite Dr. M. Ramesh, Vice Principal KIT, to introduce the chief guest of the day to us.
Very good. The most respected guest from Here India Private Limited, our respected Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Sindhu Murugesan ma'am, our revered Principal, Professor Dr. Mohandas Gandhi, our Academic Director, Mr. Vasant, our Dean Academic and Research, Dr. Ramasamy, our Dean CEII, Dr. Mahalakshmi, Dr. Kirtika, Coordinator CEII, HODs, faculty members, and my dear students, I extend my warm welcome to all for this virtual signing of between KIT and Here India Private Limited, Haryana. To sign this MOU, today we have Mr. Rohit Kaushik, Mr. Dharma Rajagopalan, and Mr. Sai from Here India Technologies Private Limited in India. Mr. Rohit brings over 15 years of experience across product management, product operations, and driving customer successes in B2B and B2C segments with market-leading organizations. He has extensive experience in mapping, navigation, location-based services, and telematics. During last 10 years with Here Technologies, Mr. Rohit led product management and product operations to launch map and content in South Asian countries. Having worked with many key customers in the region, Mr. Rohit has led thought leadership in defining the product and content strategy for South Asia. Rohit is leading the team in South Asia to bring the relevant location context to the big data and serves across various industry segments. His current area of interest is to build products in the field of location intelligence with a focus on last mile connectivity. So on behalf of our KIT, Pioneer Karnanidhi Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, we welcome you, sir. We welcome you, all the members of Here India Private Limited. Thank you. We welcome you again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Nothing great will ever be achieved without men. Now request South and India Head Product Portfolio Operations, Here India Private Limited, to offer his inaugural address.
Thank you, ma'am. And it is our great pleasure to welcome you on board with Here Technologies. So we have, building communities, we have building industry and, corporate relations for last 5 years. Recently, we have also partnered with, all the IITs and few other technology giants. So it is our extreme pleasure to have you work with us, and we will ensure you that all your students, will have the flexibility to work with us as, a short-term project and also a long-term project. We will also extend our latest tools and technologies for your students to do a lot of practicals and also build their skills in that. So I'm very happy to have you onboarded, and I just want to thank each one of you who participated today, and also the backend uh, to make sure that we have this. So this is just a beginning, and I'm looking forward to have more robust program designed for you specifically, and we'll be really excited for that. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. I now request Dr. Rajagopalan, Senior Lead Community.
Thank you, Vidya ma'am, and good morning, everyone. I hope you and your families are doing safe in the current situation, and I really hope for everyone's health, mind, and body wellness. First of all, thank you very much to KIT College August Gathering and senior faculties, senior HODs, respected uh, department heads who have taken out time to be with us today for this inaugural virtual ceremony between KIT College and Here Technologies. Thanks to Dr. Mahalakshmi ma'am for leading this initiative from the college side and to have onboarded on the partnership. Thank you, Dr. Ramesh. Thank you, Dr. Kritika, Dr. Ramaswamy, Nitya, and all staff, support staff working with KIT College to make this event virtually successful. So I am Dharma. I represent Here Technologies, and I'm proud and I'm humbled to share that as Rohit rightly mentioned that this partnership, this community building initiative is something that he had started and he has started during his stay with decade now. So community building has been one of the most important and most pivotal engagements that Rohit has asked and Rohit intends the team to focus on. The primary objective being that we as individuals representing Here Technologies should be working back with academic institutions, elite academic institutions like yours, which have the flexibility, which offer the linkage, which offer the support to the students to take up skill development initiatives with corporates in the terms of short-term programs and long-term programs. And I thank Rohit for his audacious support all these years. And this partnership will not be successful and until his leadership and guidance is there. So he's always there, and he has been supporting this endeavor. I would also like to introduce my colleagues who are part and who are representing Here Technologies today. So I have Nishant, who is based out of North India. We both are in the same office, and he takes care of partnerships and product enrichment activities. I have my colleague Tejal Javlekar. She is the legal representative based out of the Mumbai office, and without her support, the community agreement would not have got executed timely. And thank you very much, Tejal, for taking out time to be here today. I also have Mr. Sainath, who leads and the in the ecosystem. That note, I would like to address one and all, and I would an overall view about who we are, what we do, and how basically we intend to set up this initiative going forward. So allow me a couple of minutes to share my screen and to share a very crisp small presentation that I would like to share with everyone. Just a second. So I've just prepared a very brief, a very crisp presentation for everyone's view because I have very senior HOD faculty members, respected department heads here. So they should have a sense and feel on the organization with whom they are partnering with, and what do we bring to the table, and how is it like in terms of our existing communities, and how do they bring value to the table that we would be delivering along with the students. So the entire pretext is the way we call it is basically curriculum skill-based partnership, wherein we build communities, wherein there is adoption of tool, where there is enhancement of tools that are given out by Hair Technologies, and there is that continuous enrichment that we do two ways in a symbiotic relationship. So about the organization, so we are a 35-year-old organization. We have we have more than 3 decades of experience in building maps to evaluating to location technology and location platform APIs. We have more than 200 plus countries available on here maps, and in out of every 5 cars, 4 cars in Europe and North America are enabled in with here maps. So the primary use case that our organization, because we are a B2B product company, that we solve is basically online and offline navigation, moving from point A to point B, and how to enhance and how to basically functionalize navigation or location as a service for our customers and for our partners, enterprises worldwide. So with that background in the picture, we have a legacy behind us in terms of building maps, and from maps to now moving on to the location platform, and also now helping startups, helping university students also to design their products or their prototypes using here APIs, using our developer engagement or using our freemium module. We are about 9,000 plus employees representing here across 56 countries. We are headquartered in Netherlands with our major offices in Chicago, US, in Berlin, Germany, and in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So our biggest and most advanced map production and map maintenance and map development operations are basically in Mumbai, which houses approximately 40 to 45% of the work strength that we have globally. We have good presence in India. We have offices in Gurgaon, which is on the northern side, and in Bangalore, which is on the southern side of India. These are some of our investors, partners who have believed in the product and services that we deliver and we take up to the market. So in our evolution of from a map company, offering map services to customers, consumers worldwide, we also saw a lot of traction from leading investors to basically making a true digital representation of reality into maps through location APIs, and building a truly connected autonomous world, which is where the shared vision of investors like Audi, BMW, Bosch, Continental, Intel, Daimler, and Pioneer, companies, or big fortune companies like these, have that shared vision. So they believe in the product and services of what we do in the market presently, and that basically strengthens our offering across markets, global markets, including India. This is pretty much the history or the evolution of how we have transformed from the maps to location technology platform. So like I said, we were the first ones, and we had the first mover advantage way back in 1985 when our company, Navigation Technologies, was founded. And in 1994, we offered the first map for in-car navigation and for web assistance. And that journey basically culminated into something very unique and vibrant. When in 2015 we got 3 new investors, then in 2017 we again got 2 new investors, and the journey has been pretty upwards, and we see a lot of traction in the market as we grow. This is about our journey in India when in 2006 we had started our operations in mapping in India, and till about 2018 or 19, we have about 5 production centers. So Rohit, uh, our India head for product portfolio operations, has pretty much lived through this entire experience and entire legacy of Air India operations, and which is why it makes it even more great to have his experience to build more communities. And like he said, that we would be more than happy to offer short-term, long-term projects and give out our tools and technology to the students. Uh, would like to share a couple of leading prestigious colleges, universities, and academic institutions with whom we partner, who have truly believed to come forward and to basically acquire industry skills required in maps and location technology. So we have Government of Kerala, which is represented by Additional Skills Acquisition Program. It's a state skill mission with whom we have signed an MOU. Then we also have Telangana Academy for Skills and Knowledge, which is under Department of IT, Government of Telangana, and a couple of large leading universities across India in the area of GIS or computer science department, which believes in actual coding, or which actually believes in providing live project training. So we have Symbiosis Institute of Geoinformatics. We have University of Petroleum Energy Studies, Dehradun. We have University of Mysore, the GIS department. We have Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited, Government of Maharashtra entity, headquartered in Pune, and then we have a couple of colleges based out of Coimbatore as well. So it is our immense belief, and it is our immense pride to partner with KIT College shortly. These are some of my previous representatives who have basically partnered with colleges, universities, and delivered training programs successfully. I've been with the organization now for 2 years, and I'm doing my definitely bit with in partnership with state governments of Telangana, Kerala, and also a couple of colleges on the northern side. So I'm also happy to share with you that we have also received a lot of traction, good traction, with a lot of state universities to embed our project training certification, which gives equivalence or criteria for them towards industry certification, considering the current scenario where we are. So, like I said, we will believe and we will continue to do good work and partner with departments of civil engineering, with departments of computer science, information technology, and computer application, whichever departments basically come forward. And we would be happy to open up our tracks. The 2 tracks that we have thought about that I would be personally taking up. One is going to be the Here Technologies community expert program, which is going to be training on the live hair map creator tool and the platform, wherein certain contents and topics will be covered, and there'll be certain kind of interesting interactive engagement levels that will be designed with the students who would like to take it up. And the second track is going to be definitely about the hair developer engagement platform, wherein students can come forward and can design, develop projects which they are interested for, if they have uh, an appetite for coding, and if they really want to code and build things. So with that note, I would like to conclude my perspective, my crisp representation of how we want to engage with KIT College. And thank you very much. I now hand over the forum to Dr. Mahalakshmi ma'am for her views, feedback, and take it forward. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, Dharma, for this wonderful introduction about what we are going to do from this. Thank you. We'll connect later.
I now invite Dr. Kirtika, CIII Coordinator of KIT, to propose the vote of thanks.
Dr. Mahalakshmi, I think I can't hear Dr. Kritika. Is there an audio issue there?
She was her back online. 1 second,
Okay.
sorry.
A sincere gratitude to our Dean KIT Reply, Dr. K. Mahalakshmi ma'am, who has accomplished this collaboration successfully. We would like to thank our Dean Academics, Dr. K. Ramasamy sir, for their continuous support and the heads of various departments for providing guidance and support to organize this event. Hope you all have a great time. Thank you. Thank you, Kirtika ma'am, for the wonderful vote of thanks. And thanks to all the dignitaries for making this wonderful event to happen at KIT's journey. The collective expertise from Here India Private Limited will surely promote us to achieve academic excellence and other endeavors at KIT. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all present. So,
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mahalakshmi, and thank you all, August gathering of KIT College. So we'll connect shortly after the call, ma'am.
yes.
Shall we
Thank you,
conclude,
everyone.
ma'am?
Have a great day.